So a friend of mine sent me this picture by Edward Monkton of a Zen Dog, and has a little poem that goes, "He knows not where he's going, for the ocean will decide. It's not the destination, it's the glory of the ride." Something very cool about that, and so let's do some little tapping to sort of cultivate that Zen Dog in each of us. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to be a Zen Dog. And I choose to love and accept myself. I'm cultivating my inner Zen Dog. And I choose to love and honor myself. I'm finding the Zen Dog within me. That part of me that is so willing to just trust the universe, to let it take me where it will, and trust that I'm going to be okay, so that I can just live in the moment. And I'm cultivating my inner Zen Dog. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And everybody else. Because I think that's what Zen Dog would do. I choose to be a Zen Dog. I choose to be a Zen Dog. I choose to be present. I choose to live in the moment. I choose to have this sense that everything's going to be okay. And people will look at me and say, "Wow, you are so Zen." And I'll say, "Yeah, I know." And I'm relaxing. And I'm trusting. And I'm clearing all the fear that gets in the way of me being a Zen Dog. Clearing all that fear and doubt. Clearing it at a cellular level. Clearing it all the way back through my past. And just allowing myself to be so Zen. And that doesn't mean I never take action. That doesn't mean I don't work to change things that need to be changed. It does mean that I let go of attachment. Letting go of my attachment to outcomes. While still doing the best that I can. In fact, the more Zen I am about it, the less attached I am to the outcome, the greater the freedom that I have to do my absolute best. And so I'm relaxing. I'm cultivating my inner Zen dog. Trusting that the universe loves me and has great plans for me. And I am going with the flow. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. And let it go. That's not to say don't make plans, don't decide anything. Because choose what you want. Go for it. And at the same time, cultivate that inner Zen dog. Thanks.